Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of TypeScript, we will talk about void. First of all, I will tell you what does mean to the void, how we can define it, how we can use it, and what is the default void. And at the last, we will discuss some important interview questions related to void and TypeScript. And in last video, I asked a question. I will also answer that question in this video. So let's start with the first question. What does void means? Void means nothing. This is a general way to define it, right? So whenever you will say that there is a void, that means there is a no air, there is a no light, there is nothing, right? This is a general way. But when we are talking about a programming language, that means void means a function will return nothing. So now let me show you an example. So let's say we have a function, and this function name is print data or something. We can say that like this, and it will just making some console.log. Let's say hello. That time this is a void function. Why? Because this is not actually returning something. If this is returning something, let's say returning 10 or returning true or false, that means that will be a boolean or number or a string type of function. But if it will return nothing, that means this is a void function. So maybe you have another question. So what is the actual use of void function if this is not returning something? Because might be you guys are thinking a function must have to return something, right? But this is not actually true. So let's say I have a let that with the name of today, and in this function I am just assigning you can see that today equal to new date, right? That might be possible, and we are just simply calling here print data. Here you can see that we are using this function, but we are not returning here something. That is the actual use of void function. So that's okay. So how we can define a function is a void? So just simply go on a function, use colon, and just simply put here void. That means it will return nothing. So in a void function, so if you just try to return something, let's say just may return here true, that time it will give error. That here you can see that a boolean value cannot be assignable to type void. And keep in mind, void is not only used in TypeScript, this is also used in uh, Java, .NET, C++, even C also, right? This is used in many programming languages. All right. So if we are not returning it, we are not defining the void type, and we are not returning here something, that time this is still a void function, because JavaScript by default assign the type of a function. It will just check that if we are not assigning here something, then it will be type of void like this. All right. So again, you have one more question. You can ask that, okay, so if function is can automatically check that we are returning something or not, that means we don't need to define here void, because it will automatically define to that function. In the many cases, yes, but in some cases, or you can say that in exceptional cases, we might be wrong. I can show you one example. So let's say in today we have a value, let's say 10, right? And or you can just simply check here Sunday, and here you can check if today equal to triple equal to Sunday, it will return something, right? Return, let's say hi, and in else case it will not returning anything. In that case you will find that we are checking here this function is a type of string, because we are returning here. But if this condition will not be true, then what actually happen? That time this function should be void. So what we can do here just simply use here void, but now this line will be give the error that because might be this condition will be true. That time just simply use here void with number like this, right? So this is the one use case where we must have to define void. Second thing is, if you are not sure, might be some other developer also working with your project, and someone you are just printing say here something like this, and you are just assigning some values to it. If this function is not defined here like this, but might be some other developer just come here and just simply put here return some values. That time we have a inappropriate value, so we can also define that time it's void. And if some other developers and some other guys will try to return here, it will get a error. Here you can see that this function is a void and we should not return here something. So this is a use of void type. You can say that this is also a type. Yes. So if you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. And one more important thing, which is an interview question. So can we define a function undefined? The answer is no. If you are trying to define here undefined here, then it will give to error. Here you can see that we can just make a function void or any. We cannot define undefined type to it. All right. So can we define any? Yes, we can define any, but this is not actually useful thing, because if we are not just putting here something, still it can define anything, right? So why we have to put here any? This is the useless case if we are defining here any. Even it will just you can say that remove the power of TypeScript here. So we should avoid any type here, and we cannot use undefined. These are the two interview questions, and thank you so much for watching this video.